So how to stop iPhone from recording calls? Here is the button to record call on iPhone. Tap on that button, then this call will be recorded. So you can say that this call is now recording. Now to stop this iPhone from recording your calls, there is settings you need to enable on your device. This is easy. Go to settings, then scroll down, tap on apps, then here tap on phone. Then locate your phone apps, tap on it. Then under phone apps, scroll up until you see calls. Here is call recording option. Tap on it. Now tap on this button to toggle it off. Now let's go and make call. Tap on the call button, look for somebody. Tap on this button, tap on call. So now you can see that the call recording option is no more here. It has been disabled. So guys, this is a simple process, guys, on how to stop iPhone from recording calls on your device. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.